Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. These are my pet birds. As you know, I have shared many videos of them, like not many, some I have seen. You can watch it in my channel. And it's raining right now outside. I'm so happy. You know that actually my channel is of only drawing, but I also share my experiences, whatever situation like raining or it's too cold or like that. When it's raining, I share those videos and some also about our occasions and festivals also I send videos. Of course, I'm enjoying in this day. I hope you will also enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching this till end. Please subscribe my channel.